Hey there, how's it going? So, uh, little Thursday morning trip around the yard here, and just wanted to tell you about a thing I've been using around the house. It's called Mosquito Dunks. So, what these are is basically an almost perfect way to get rid of mosquitoes. So you can see here, that's my backyard. Well, actually, here, let me give you a little quick tour here. You can see why I have a problem with mosquitoes. So, I live in Lindsay, which is central Ontario-ish. Anyway, here's our front backyard. Here's our middle backyard. And then out behind the trees there, we have a little fire pit and a creek and our backyard. So what I like to do is I like to keep the grass a little bit longer because I kind of get lazy, and partly I figure, I want to give some kind of an ecosystem to some of the bugs and wildlife and bees and things, right? So here's our backyard here. Now, the trade-off with keeping the grass a little bit longer, letting the wildflowers grow a little bit, and wanting to also enjoy a campfire now and then, is you have to deal with our lovely little friend, the mosquito. So, mosquitoes, for anyone who's been human, you know that mosquitoes are super, super annoying. But I have great news, Internet, and I'm sure you found this before too. Mosquito Dunks are an almost perfect solution for your mosquito problem. I bought this myself off of Amazon. I'll put like a link or something in the description. You can also get them in Home Hardware, I think, at least here in Lindsay anyway. And so basically what they are is just really cool. So it's basically, let me turn around here so you can get out of the sunlight here. So a mosquito is basically just this little thing here. It's like a little donut, and it's really cool. It has like an organic pesticide in it, and what it does is it kills the mosquito larvae when they're hatching. So the life cycle of a mosquito is about 2 to 3 weeks, and the problem with mosquitoes is they like standing water. That's where they, hatch their eggs and live. They like long grass. What you need to do to break the cycle of mosquitoes is you need to stop them at the larvae, because you will never be able to catch every mosquito in a trap. Bug zappers are going to catch other bugs. You're going to catch the bees and the butterflies and all that other stuff, right? Mosquito dunks, what they do is you drop them into a bucket of water, and then the chemicals that are like whatever pesticides or junk that's in here, it kills that mosquito larvae when it hatches, so then it cannot fly out and then bug you. So it takes a couple of weeks in order to make them work, because I'm probably in the week 3 of the 3-week cycle right now, right? But here's the thing, super, super simple to do. All you got to do, take one of these out of the package, drop it in a 5-gallon bucket of water, and walk away. And that's it. It's the easiest solution you will ever find for getting rid of mosquitoes. You see here the size of my yard here, right? So I have 3 buckets that I use. I use one here by the fire pit, and then I go up here. There's one about halfway up the yard here on that one side fence in between my cherry trees. And then all the way back up at the house, I got a rain barrel next to the gate, and I got one in a corner up there. Now, this isn't a silver bullet. I haven't eliminated every single mosquito. You do still get the odd mosquito, but it is a noticeable improvement. So, anyway, I just wanted to give this little quick video because I'm out here doing my monthly round of dropping these pucks into the water, into the 5-gallon buckets, and thought you might like to know about this stuff. So, safe travels.